Santa down!
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here in downtown San Francisco with the one, the only,
Elf Cruz.
and I am about to put on this, and he's about to put on that, and we're gonna play Christmas special game of Christmas, right?
Oh, yeah.
Christmas?
Game of Christmas.
Okay, he doesn't even know what this is. I think I might need to go over here. I'm not even sure if I can put this on.
Well, I am immediately aware that my costume is clearly superior. I chose this myself. Sent him the link. Said, "What's up with the Christmas special?" And he said, "Let's do it." And here we are today. This just brings back golden memories. Dude, holy, this actually might be really nice quality. Holy, SantaCon, we out, D? You'll have some fun in the brisk San Francisco city air.
Absolutely. That's pretty nice. Not gonna lie.
I have chosen well. Now this is a little suspicious. That's a little suspicious, bro. I'm keeping the pants on under this, bro.
I did not think this through. I didn't realize I can't move my legs.
I can't move my legs either.
Wait, this is what I thought it had everything included. Where's the hat and where's the sweater on top? What, dang it. Does that look pretty good though? Oh wait, where's this part supposed to go? Oh yeah, just like that, I guess. What is this? Oh, these are the shoes? You actually look legendary. Why does it look so good?
Come on, bro.
This looks proper. I ain't gonna lie. This is like some legit.
Do I have to wear this? Do I have to wear these?
You don't. You should put them on though,
I'm gonna
just
put
to
them on.
see.
Let's
Yeah,
take a
yeah.
picture.
Dude, that looks
Man,
good.
This is legit, bro.
I know.
I saw the reviews, and the reviews, they were worth the 5 stars.
Amazon coming through.
Amazon really doing it for me right now. How's my physique?
Great.
Santa. Elf.
Good to meet you.
Good to see you. I'm down building all the toys in the shops a lot, so we don't really talk.
I probably should have got a legit Santa costume. I thought this was gonna be good.
After seeing what I'm rocking with, come on, man.
All right, are we playing Christmas?
Playing Christmas.
The whole thing?
10 letters. Yep. Is it okay if I don't wear these?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. All right.
Oh no!
Santa's going down.
Christmas, he's trying to get me. I cannot move my legs. Santa down there creeping on me.
It's already tough enough for me to skate in general. I don't like my legs being this tight.
Yeah, but at least you can spread your legs. Why does it look so stupid? Fakie ollie? All right, let's go. No way Gabe Cruz did an ollie. First try. Switch ollie? No way.
Dang
he
it,
did
my
that.
hat.
This is the kind of game I like. Nice little warm up. Give me some time to warm up because I don't think I can move my feet in this costume. Whoa! I almost missed that.
You know what's funny is after the other board, I took one push on this and felt like I was going Mach 12.
It's because you are.
I know, that's why I'm trying to, I gotta warm up a little bit again.
Oh! No, I did not. I gotta see. Christmas. That's it. Now I'm pissed. I couldn't move my legs. I'm blaming the costume on this game.
That's disrespectful, Santa. It's disrespectful. If I win this game, you're my ho ho ho. Oh, almost messed up the half cap. Fudge!
Wow. First try. Shaky shot? Dang, you're cold-blooded. No way. Nollie shove it, Gabe.
You like the pop?
Huh?
You like the pop on that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did I pop?
No, but it's okay.
He said no, but it's okay.
No!
What were you trying?
Switch shove.
Switch shove.
Yeah.
What's gotten into this man?
I told you I'm skating good again.
He's trying to switch shove me. I cannot move my legs. This is gonna be really hard. Wow. Take this to Santa's workshop, you mother. Wow, I couldn't see my board at all. Dang, okay.
It's hot in this costume.
Yeah, it's fire, it's 'cause you're looking fire.
Thanks.
We're gonna go with the easier one. Easier one, big spin.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. C to C.
Dude, this hat is destroying me.
You can take the hat off.
No, it's okay. What was that, nollie?
Nollie, big spin, no pop. Yeah. Drop the hat, bro. Every time it's falling off. It's for Gabe. This is for Gabe.
What was that?
What do you mean, what was that?
I got distracted by a car passing by and I didn't see it.
Burial flip.
What are you doing in that area right
What?
there? What's it?
Merry Christmas.
Fudge! All right, I got CHR.
Okay, okay. Wow, why can't I pop?
Holy.
Yeah. Yeah, we like it. How did I land that? I'm on the on Santa fire mode. Take the hat off, Gabe.
I can't because I'm going to lose regardless, so at least I have an excuse.
What do you got?
I have CHRI.
Okay, well.
All right, don't mess up again, all right? Don't mess up.
Or the snowstorm's coming.
Or the
power of the North Pole is coming out.
I'm saying Elf you and I'm going for it.
Help you. This right here is for Rudolph.
Dude, what is happening?
It's a hat. I'm telling you, you gotta take the hat off. So what are your letters?
S. CHRIS.
Whoa, boy. That's okay. That's okay. Yes.
Santa down!
I thought for sure the board flipped and I was gonna land. CH. I got ch. You deserved every bit of that for that trick. Yes. CHRIST?
This costume is proving to be formidable.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. 3 letters left. Dang it!
I told him we should play a game without the costumes first. He said, no, Aaron. I'm taking you to Christmas. Backside slider, we call it. Come on now. Take the hat off, Gabe.
I can't. I have to just ride with it. I'm already too far in.
So that's Christmas. Chris M.
Chris M. Yep.
Wow.
Oh
Why did that work so good?
For that one, of course, the hat stayed on. All right, I'm on my last letter.
He asked me like he was in pure shock. He said, is that an 8? I said, no, it's a 775. What do they say in the North Pole?
Let it snow.
Go big or go home.
Oh.
They also say, let it snow. They also say, Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yep. If I land this, the game's gonna go in a nice, favorable direction.
Yeah, let's go, Gabe.
If not,
Let's go, Gabe.
one-way trip to the South Pole.
I couldn't see anything. Dang it, bro. Why? Why? What the? Could have had it. Oh no!
Yes!
CHRI?
You missed a half cap flip too.
So heel flip, fakie, heel flip, 3 shove, half cap flip. CHRI.
And the other one. And the switch 180. So
S.
you're at S. Oh, that one hit me right in the roasted Chet chestnuts. I feel like he just went and punched Rudolph. That's what that feels like. So many years I've seen this trick, and so many years it evades me.
You got this, Gabe.
Sometimes my strategy in games of skate is just toss the first one, kind of get a feel for it, and then really go for the second one. So that's what I'm gonna do.
He should have just went for the first one, then he would have landed the second one. Because now watch, if he does it 3 times, he'll land the third one. That was it, boy! Give it elf scream.
Best game. Good game. Hey, you know, that's why the elves are building the toys, you know, because they don't got the game, they don't got the skate. Next year, I'm gonna come back and Santa will rue the day that he challenged the elves.
It's true, it's true.
I'm calling in reinforcements. I don't know who, but someone.
Just get a gang of elf reinforcements.
I know.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Happy holidays.
Woo! Merry Christmas!